Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be giving you easy to follow steps on how to run the SFC scan on Windows 11. So without wasting any more time, let's get right to it. So first thing you want to do is click the Windows icon and then type in CMD for command prompt. Right click this option, then click Run as Administrator. Now in the command prompt window, type in SFC space /scannow, hit enter. Ensure that the scan and now are together with no space between them. You can see the scan has now started. This might take a while. Once the scan is complete, you can close this page and then restart your system. If for some reason the scan fails, type in the following commands into the command prompt window and then hit enter for each of them. Afterwards, restart your system, go back to command prompt and type in SFC /scan now, then hit enter to run the scan again. Ensure that you run the command prompt as an administrator, otherwise this scan will fail. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.